In today's video, we'll walk you through the complete process of installing the Nicho Shower Niche Kit. If you haven't yet, you need to purchase the kit which best meets your needs. First, choose the desired angle for your lighting. The three options offered are 90, 180, and 270 degrees. If you don't know which to choose, 180 is easy to use and popular. Now choose which type of lighting you'd like. We have two options, white or the colorful RGB. Once you've found the kit you want, be sure to select the correct length. Always choose a measurement equal to or longer than your planned shower niche. Before we begin the installation, test the LED strip with your chosen power supply to ensure it's working properly. If needed, cut the aluminum channel to the desired length for your installation. For detailed instructions on cutting LED profiles, check out our video linked in the description. Now it's time to cut your LED strip. Make sure you're making your cuts on the side without the wires. Cut the silicone down to the LED strip very gently using a utility knife at the first marked increment shorter than the channel length. Keep in mind to be very careful not to damage the strip. Make sure to cut the end opposite the side where the wires are attached. You can use a pair of scissors to cut the LED strip more cleanly. After cutting, you need to reseal the cut end. Open the sealant and cut the nozzle to your desired bead size. Fill in the open end and ensure you cover any exposed solder pads. Remember, the sealant requires 24 hours to fully cure. Now take your LED strip and place it against the aluminum channel. Mark where the wiring will pass through. Then move the LED strip away and drill a hole through the channel on the mark with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Insert the wires of the LED strip into the drilled hole. Then fit the LED strip into the aluminum channel by simply pressing it in. Then, complete your installation by adding end blanks to fill any spaces. If necessary, trim any end blanks with a utility knife to ensure they fill the remaining space in the channel for a clean finish. For further instructions on installing your assembled fixture in your shower niche, see this video. Link in the description below. Finally, let's take a look at the Nicho Series powered on. Wow, just look at how beautifully it lights up the space. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us by phone or email. You can also use our live chat feature for immediate help. Just type your question, and we'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more lighting tips and guides.